Welcome to Fundamental of Microbiology series in episode 4, History of Microbiology part 2, in which we are going to discuss about contribution of Louis Pasteur. It is a very important topic for B.Sc Microbiology as well as DMLT student. So let's start about contribution. He was French chemist and microbiologist. We know him as Father of Modern Microbiology, and he also founder of the Pasteur Institute. This is situated at Paris, and he made the significant contribution to science, medicine, and biotechnology. So let's start about the contribution. Demonstrate that microorganisms are responsible for fermentation. Discovery the theory of spontaneous. Disprove the theory of spontaneous generation theory. He developed process of pasteurization. He prevent spoilage of wine and milk. Provide experimental evidence support that germ theory of the disease. State that disease cannot spread by the air or bad air or vapor. It spread because in the air there is a microorganisms are present and it responsible to cause the disease. He helps save the beer, wine and silk industry in France from the microbes. He introduced concept using the liquid nutrient broth for cultivation of the microorganism. He developed attenuated vaccines like chicken, cholera, anthrax and rabies. So this is a shortcut you have to remember easily. Contribution, and this is trick to remember, so you can take the screenshot, so easily you can yeah, easily you can remember the this contribution of Louis Pasteur. So thank you very much to watch this episode.